Hello, welcome to another video. I am very happy to have you here with me, and be aware that today I will talk about the Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder. The Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder is a high-quality laser rangefinder that delivers superior precision and performance. It is perfect for golfers, shooters, and other outdoor enthusiasts who need to measure distances accurately. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to talk to you. It is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety, I left in the description of this video the official link where you can enjoy a special offer from the producer. Remember that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do. What is it? The Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder has a variety of features that make it a superior choice for any need. It features a range of up to 800 yards, accuracy of 1 yard, and a high-quality display that makes it easy to read distances. The rangefinder also features a slope mode that compensates for the slope of the terrain, providing a more accurate distance. In addition to its advanced features, the Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder is also very easy to use. It features a large, easy-to-press trigger button as well as a clear, easy-to-read display. Here are some of the key features of the Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder. Range up to 800 yards. Accuracy of 1 yard. High-quality display. Mode of slope. Easy to use. The Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder is a great choice for anyone who needs a precise and high-quality laser rangefinder. It is a valuable tool for golfers, shooters, and other outdoor enthusiasts. Benefits. The benefits of using the Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder are diverse, including increased accuracy. The rangefinder offers precise distances of up to 800 yards, which can help players hit the ball more accurately. Improved positioning. The pin sensor technology allows players to measure distance to the flag, even if it is hidden behind obstacles. This can help players position the ball correctly. Reduce the number of errors. The Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder can help players avoid mistakes such as hitting the ball too short or too far. Improve performance. The rangefinder can help players improve their overall game by increasing accuracy, reducing the number of errors, and improving positioning. In addition, the Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder is a durable and reliable device that is built to last. It is waterproof and dustproof, which makes it ideal for use in any weather condition. The rangefinder is also lightweight and easy to carry, which makes it a good choice for players who want to take their golf equipment with them. Specifically, the benefits of the Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder can be divided into 3 categories. Technical benefits. The rangefinder offers precise distances, pin sensor technology, and other features that can help players improve their game. Performance benefits. The rangefinder can help players hit the ball more accurately, reduce the number of errors, and improve positioning. General benefits. The rangefinder is a durable, reliable, and easy-to-use device. In conclusion, the Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder is a high-quality rangefinder that can offer a variety of benefits to golf players of all skill levels. Warranty. The program offers a 100% guarantee for your customers of 60 days to return the product. If you are not fully satisfied with the product within 60 days, just contact us at or call the toll-free number. Full refund of the product within 48 hours of return, no questions and questions as to why. Conclusion. If you are looking for a laser rangefinder that can help you improve your golf game, the Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder is a great option. With its precise distance, pin sensor technology, and other features, the Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder can help you hit the ball more accurately, reduce the number of errors, and improve your positioning. In addition, the Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder is a durable and reliable device that is built to last. It is waterproof and dustproof, which makes it ideal for use in any weather condition. The rangefinder is also lightweight and easy to carry, which makes it a good choice for players who want to take their golf equipment with them. To learn more about the Eagle Eye Laser Rangefinder and to get access to a special offer, visit the official website at the link I'm leaving here below.